As you already know, Flux Context is not software that you download and run. It's an AI model that you can use in many different ways. In this course, I'll show you two main options: Playground, which is simpler and works online without installation, and Comfy UI, which is more advanced, works offline, and runs like a program installed on your computer. Playground is a graphical, user-friendly interface that works in your browser. You don't need to install anything, just go to the Playground website. That's it. You can visit bfl.ai and easily create a completely free account there, or conveniently log in with your existing Google account. At the very start, you will generously receive 200 valuable credits, which you can then effectively use to generate approximately 50 high-quality images. One image generated by the Flux Context Pro model costs 4 credits. Max costs 8 credits, but we'll talk more about the models later. In the My Account tab, then Add Credit, you can buy more credits at any time. They're not expensive. At the moment, 1 credit costs 1 cent, so on average, generating one image with the Flux Context Pro model costs about 15 groszy. The prices of AI-based services are changing dynamically. In fact, they're constantly dropping, so it's best to check your client panel to see the current rates. In Playground, you have 4 tabs at your disposal: Generate, Edit, Fill, and Expand. Let's start with Generate. There you generate an image based on a text prompt or a reference used as inspiration. In Edit, you modify specific elements of the image, change its style, the color of certain objects, and you can even remove them. Fill, also known as in-painting. There, you fill a selected area with different content, and in Expand, which is responsible for so-called outpainting, you extend the scene beyond its original boundaries. That's how it looks in a nutshell. To sum up, Playground works in your browser. You can test it for free, and additional credits are relatively inexpensive. It's a great choice to start with. However, users might miss the ability to personalize, a wider selection of resolutions, and professional support for handling multiple images at once. If you want to have full control over all the parameters, work offline, use automation, your own references, or simply experiment with workflows, I recommend Comfy UI. It's a versatile software for ambitious, somewhat more advanced users, based on a node and tile system, designed to handle virtually all available artificial intelligence models. Not only those used for image generation, but also for video, audio, or text. With a powerful computer, you can use it completely for free, well, aside from the obvious cost of hardware wear and tear. To sum up, Comfy offers greater freedom and full control. The ability to work without the internet, anonymously and locally. In the course, you'll find a separate module dedicated to installing and configuring this tool. It's more complicated, so we'll first focus on the simpler Playground interface. And now that we've covered the introduction, in the next chapter, we'll move on to practical work. We'll start with prompting.